All right, we're back this week with the 56 Chevy. It's outside, it's super nice out. It's my birthday, so we're trying to get things done quick today. So we picked just painting the dash and bed liner and the floor in here to get this thing dialed in, and here we go. Dad's been working hard all week, getting things prepared so that we can paint this dash, get the floor all painted. So got a bunch of little panels that we got to paint green still, a couple for the firewall, a couple for the dash. But he's just getting some last minute things out of the way and we'll get this painted green. Dad's getting some holes on the firewall buttoned up here so that we don't get any blow through when we paint the back side of the firewall with bed liner later. What do you think, Dad? You ready to get this thing painted?
Yeah, I'm gonna get her done.
Well, we've got this firewall all scabbed up so that we can paint this dash. Like I said, Dad's been busy this week. We got everything primed and pretty much ready to go. We're just doing a rough and tough paint job on this. He's back here mixing up the paint right now. It'll be that high metal flake green that the firewall and the axles and all that stuff are. So here we go. All right, Dad just finished up painting the dash in there. We got a couple coats on that. Sun's shining still, so that should dry up pretty quick. We're gonna mix up some of this bed liner right now and get rolling this on the floor of the 56. So not a whole eventful episode here. It was just some painting and getting things buttoned up so that we can move on to the next big thing. The floor turned out great. The green dash turned out great. All the little pieces for the dash and everything are good to go. So this one step closer to getting this baby on the road.